Tell me a little bit about businesses and filing for bankruptcy.
Okay, so unlike individuals where you get a discharge in a bankruptcy, businesses don't technically get a discharge, but in Chapter 7, the business ceases to exist, so the net effect is the same. Businesses and wealthy individuals, however, can also file under Chapter 11, which provides an opportunity to restructure debts, eliminate unfavorable contracts and leases, and generally reduce financial pressure to enable the business to continue to operate. As with individuals, perhaps even more so, the key is really to talk to your bankruptcy attorney and your accountant early on, because if you wait until the business is so far gone that it can't afford to be a debtor in Chapter 11, meaning it can't afford the administrative expenses and there's really no money left to negotiate with creditors, the lenders will lose their desire to negotiate, and you'll have little choice but to liquidate. So starting the process early on can save the business, it can save jobs, or it can at least help management decide whether the business is viable as a going concern.
Mm-hmm. I agree. And, you know, since we've opened up and all of a sudden things have taken off somewhat, I tell my clients this. I say, you know, the customer you were dealing with for 30 years or the vendors you were dealing with for 30 years may not be the same anymore post-COVID. And that could cause financial hardship for you. Don't be in denial. Know your customers. Really, please reevaluate. Reevaluate your vendors and be honest with yourself in terms of your receivables, payables, debts, everything. Speak to your professionals, your accountants, and maybe you do need a bankruptcy attorney.